We live in a very connected world. Isn't it time you get connected with your home's comfort? Smart thermostats can reduce utility bills, alert you of certain issues, and allow you to have mobile access of your home's comfort. Here are 3 smart thermostats we'd recommend. Number 1, Nest Pro. It has multiple energy-saving options, and it ties in nicely with other Nest home automated products. Number 2 would be the ecobee 4. It has similar features to the Nest thermostat, but it also has hands-free voice control with Alexa. Number 3 is the Honeywell T6 Wi-Fi Pro. Just as dependable, but a little more budget-friendly. These are just a couple of options in a wide market, so do some research or contact us with questions. Remember, your utility provider may even offer rebates or incentives for installing a smart thermostat in your home. Professional installation can also extend the warranty and help you avoid headaches. So give us a call to talk about rebates, applications, or installation.